afraid of?
Don't come back until you fetch me the lamp.
Just one thing,
Later.
I am not a happy man.
Much rubbing later.
Bloody typical. I suppose someone out there finds this sort of thing really amusing.
I'm sorry, but the mighty genie of the lamp isn't here right now. So if you've come for your wishes, you're out of luck. I'm taking a vacation. If you want to get back to me on this matter, please leave your name and wishes after the beep.
I cannot believe it. Hey, Lardo, I've got your lamp.
Throw it up to me.
No way, I've read the relevant literature. Toss me the ladder down first.
Well done, boy.
What about my cloth?
Kaleem! Some cloth for the boy.
I thought we agreed the cloth would be green.